Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about all logical operator. So think about a online account verification process. This time we happen to submit our NIC or driving license for verify our identity. So let's implement this same example as a program. So let's open our Visual Studio Code. Here I am inside my project directory and let's create a new file. Let's call this O underscore operator then.py. Let's put a print statement here. Then let's put inside this parenthesis online account verification. Finally, let's put new line character. Okay. Then let's create some variables. First I create variable called has NIC. Then just for now I put true. Then let's create a new variable called has driving license. For now let's put true here again. Then the most important part, decision making part. So let's put if statement here. Then let's take this has NIC variable. Our logic is if someone is able to supply the NIC or driving license, then he will be able to verify his identity. So let's combine these two conditions using O logical operator. I put O keyword here. Then let's take the second variable, which is has driving license. Okay. Then I put colon, and colon is representing this is a block. So inside this if statement I put print. Then this scenario is, which means if someone is able to supply at least NIC or driving license, he will be able to verify his identity. So here I put able to verify the identity. Otherwise, this means if someone is unable to supply either NIC or driving license, then he will be unable to verify his identity. Else, then again print statement inside parentheses. Let's put the same string but little bit modified. Unable. Okay. Then let's run this program several times by changing these two variables. So let's run this program. Here we got the output as able to verify the identity, because this time this person is able to supply his NIC and also he is able to supply the driving license. This time, which means he is able to supply at least one of these two things. Let's change this variable to false. Then let's run this program again. Here the program says this person is again able to verify the identity, because again he is able to supply at least one of these documents. So finally let's put false as value. So in this time these two documents are false, two variables are false. This means this person is in this time unable to supply these two documents. Let's run this program again. In this time we got unable to verify the identity because this time this person is unable to supply at least one of these documents. So friends, this is what we have to learn in all logical operator. So this is for this video guys. Let's meet on next video.